So I've been working for a couple of weeks now and my table has gotten really messy, and I just want to show you how nothing is rubbish in the world of mixed media. Like, this was all like scattered across. I know I had a really messy table, so I'm just trying to tidy up, and you can just have a look at all these different things that any of these can be used within your art journal or as an off the page type item. Just as I was picking things up, I was throwing this on here, and I can see already, I can see something happening there with that. I can make something quite pretty with all those little bits and pieces. Just to show you, I'll just quickly do that. Everything else out of the way. So just out of those little scraps that I had sitting on my table, I've now got a cute little page that I could then either put some words down here, sketch a drawing, attach some papers in there. So you just have to get creative and just have that little vision of what you can do with scraps. So there you go, it's quite a cute little page. If you don't have a book that size, if you weren't creating it onto a page, I was just using a piece of watercolour paper that I had actually painted. You could also just always mount it into a book or an art journal page, and just like that, and that would look, whoops, wrong way, just like that would look very pretty. You could do a little border around the outside if you wanted to, but I think that looks quite stunning on that white page, that white background. Or you could do like a teal background, or whatever you feel is going to suit the page that you've created. So there you are, you have a cute little journal page, and it was made out of what might have been considered rubbish, but as I said, nothing is rubbish in mixed media.